In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit text in Foxit PDF Editor. This process will guide you through the simple steps needed to modify text within your PDF documents effectively. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you're going to want to navigate to the Edit tab. If you look at the top of your screen, you'll see a menu bar with several options. Look carefully, and you'll spot the Edit tab among these choices. By clicking on it, you're preparing Foxit PDF Editor to switch into the mode specific for text editing. Now, with the Edit tab open, it's time to select the Edit Text tool. You'll find a button labeled Edit Text. Give that a click. Once you've done this, you'll notice something important: a light gray box appearing around the sections of text that can be edited. This visual cue is Foxit's way of letting you know which areas of your document are ready for modification. Next, it's time to make your changes. Choose the paragraph or segment of text you'd like to adjust and click directly on it. As you do so, you'll find that you can type new text, delete existing words, or modify what you've written, all directly within the PDF. This flexibility allows you to ensure your document says exactly what it needs to. On the right side of your screen, you'll see the Format panel come into play. This is where Foxit PDF Editor really shows off its versatility. Here, you have various options to change your text's appearance according to your preferences or document style requirements. You can alter the font type, adjust the size to make it more readable or prominent, and even change the color. If you want to emphasize certain portions of your text, you can apply styles such as bolding or italics. These tools are quite handy and, importantly, user-friendly. Once you've made all your desired changes, it's crucial to remember this last step: saving your edits. After putting in all the effort to perfect your document, make sure you save your PDF file to secure your changes. This step ensures that all your hard work is not lost and your document is ready for sharing or printing with the new modifications intact. And there you have it, a straightforward way to edit text in Foxit PDF Editor. Whether you're correcting errors, updating content, or simply tweaking the layout, these steps will help you manage your PDFs with ease. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it empowers you to handle your PDF documents with confidence and efficiency. Thank you for watching, and happy editing.